All she wanna do is party all night. Never gonna love me when it's alright.
Smoking weed out the container. We spend
Are you sure it's gonna fit all? Yeah. We still got 8 more, dog.
Yeah, it'll fit.
Hey, you got the rotations right?
Yeah, outside.
Okay, because I didn't look at it, so. Daddies. These are still decent treads, but they're so old. I don't know how many times this thing has been mounted and dismounted. Dude, these look so good. Hey, your opinion on stretch tire life?
Mine?
What a struggle.
It's just people looking full.
I can't get over the fact of how great these tires look on my brother's wheels of choice. Looks a lot meatier than the 195 that was on it before. Need to get these mounted up so we can get his car to the alignment. I did mark on the inside of the wheels for easier rotation later down the road. Rear passenger, rear driver, and I know these guys are the fronts because this used to shave on the caliper. You can see that ring right there. Front driver. Let's get these mounted. I will say these 205s look really good on here. We're at negative 1.5, not a lot of poke. The back, negative 1. Yes, sir. Loving the way that is looking. Loving the way that is looking. One more thing I need to do is swap the map sensor on my brother's car for this Honda 4-bar because the car was tuned on 11 pounds. But we took the map sensor to put into Mario ZK so he can tune more than 10 pounds. So I'm just going to take it off my wagon because Mario is going to buy me a new one. But in order for my brother to enjoy his car now, I'm going to take this off the wagon's motor because the car doesn't run anyways. And I need to take the stock one off right behind this diaphragm, way in there somewhere. What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the end of the video. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but honestly, this is considered my off day. Now, I did do a video like this a while ago and you guys did enjoy it, so I figured I'd just take you guys along with me since this is the third day now that we've just been doing a bunch of little things here around the house. So if you guys haven't seen some of the previous video, the homie Mario and Matt came down from Central and LA to work on the Ronald McDonald EK hatch with the K24 swap. We did a lot in 4 days with that car. We pulled the engine out, we did a bunch of engine mods, we threw it back in, we built the turbo kit, we went to the dyno, we went to Mexico, and it was just an overall fun 4 days hanging out with the homies. And honestly, we need to do it again. Normally off days consist of like either catching up on sleep, doing chores around the house, cleaning the garage, as you guys have seen in this video, doing oil change on my sedan, fixing up my brother's car, swapping tires out. Shout out to the homie Eric for doing the tires for me today, 8 wheels and tire. And man, it took a little while to do because that was a lot. It was a lot, especially the struggle with those 195s on the 15x8s when you're not experienced on doing it. As mentioned, this is a span of 3 days now. Just been catching up on sleep, honestly, but I got jobs to do this week, so I came out here to kind of clean the garage out and get this place looking all tidied up for the car coming in tomorrow. It's a quick little job doing for a friend, and I don't know if I'm gonna record it. I don't know if I just want to just knock it out and get it out and we can get back to regular programming here in the garage or the driveway, but who knows? Who knows? We'll see what ends up happening tomorrow. But anyways, this video, like I said, is super random. I hope you guys enjoyed it a little bit. Wrapped up for tonight, and I'm about to head inside to, man, there's a lot of videos to edit. I figured I'd get a head start on it, you know what I mean? So we're gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoy whatever this video was. If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for if I record the car tomorrow or just regular programming me back in the garage, because you know what, man? The sedan is done, so that means I can do ride-alongs and some fun stuff with it. If you guys want to stick around and see any of those, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.